Class 11 exercise 3.5 was going on, and seventh question now if we take up, where we need to prove this. The questions that we did till now, we had taken the sides on one side, say b minus c upon a, like we've done here, and then replaced these by sine rule and proceeded to match up with the ratios having the angles. Okay, it can be done the other way around also, like in this one we are, rather than replacing this, we are proceeding with the ratios and then we'll come back to this. Okay, so if we are starting with the left hand side as changed, on the sides taken to one side, angle ratios taken to the other side, now we are proceeding with this. So naturally first thing we'll do is we'll apply sine c minus cos b. Formula is available for this, so we'll be doing that. So cos c minus cos b, there if you apply this formula, if there's a minus sign, both ratios are of sine, so 2 times sine b plus c by 2 and sine b minus c. ओके हमारा c माइनस b था, तो या तो वो माइनस साइन आगे आता है या यहाँ एंगल्स फ्लिप कर देते हैं. सो विच एवर वे यू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. Denominator continues, your 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and again because these are in a triangle, your b plus c will be replaced by pi minus a. And that's if you separate the denominator, sine pi by 2 minus a by 2. Sine pi by 2 becomes cos, right? So that becomes a cos a by 2. So one of the cos a by 2 cancelled. Now we are going to multiply cos b plus c by 2. If in the numerator, why in the numerator? Because this would again, if you had a 2 also in front, would take up the form of a trigonometric formula. Okay, so to match up with that, we are multiplying cos b plus c by 2 here. So we need to multiply it naturally in the denominator. Now what happens to this factor in the denominator? Again, जैसे अभी हमने b plus c को replace किया था, again we'll replace by pi minus a. So this will become cos pi by 2 minus theta, which would become naturally then sine a by 2. Okay, and in the numerator, if you multiply 2, then numerator is also taking form of your formula. Okay, this is your formula for sine b minus sine c. This whole is your formula for sine b minus sine c. And then in denominator, this cos pi by 2 minus a by 2, which became sine a by 2, has given you this half angle formula. 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is sine 2 theta. So this will become sine a. Okay, and now we will apply our sine rule. And if you apply sine rule, this each of this can be replaced by k times b small b and k times small c upon k times a by application of sine rule. Okay, so k would come common from numerator, would cancel out that in the denominator, and this is your leftover expression which we have transformed to obtain our right hand side. Okay, so बाकियों में हम उल्टा कर रहे थे. We had this and then we had gone the other way around. यहाँ पे हमने जैसे sin a को k times small a से replace किया है, वहाँ पे हम small a को k times sin a से करके फिर trigonometric formula लगा रहे थे. तो comes to the same. Anyway, from sine you can proceed to the ratios, from the sides to the ratios of the angles, or from the ratios of the angles to the sine with the help of sine rule here. Okay. Now in the eighth one, clearly you have ratio sine one side and the side the other side. So we'll start with this. That would be most convenient for us. So right hand side we are starting with and replacing our a, b, c's with the help of sine rule by k times sine a, k times sine b, k times sine c. So that is what you end up getting. K's will obviously get cancelled. You can take k square common from both the terms in numerator and cancel that out. So this is how it is. And now this is your trigonometric formula. Another one that you need to remember, sine square b minus sine square c is sine of b plus c into sine of b minus c. That's another identity or trigonometric formula that we know. So applying that, and then in the denominator, of course, your sine square a continues. Then once again, you would replace this b plus c by pi minus a, and sine pi minus theta becomes sine theta. So sine a from here. One of the sine a gets cancelled, and then in the denominator, this because in the proof we don't require a. Okay, expression में b और c थे, तो जैसे हमने b plus c को pi minus a से replace किया है, वैसे ही हम a को pi minus b plus c से replace कर सकते हैं. So one of the sin a that will remain from here would be replaced by pi minus b plus c. And again sin pi minus theta is also once again sin theta. So numerator was already obtained. Your denominator would also be obtained, and that is what we wanted to prove. Now for the ninth one, likewise, we had ratios and sides all together. Again, you'll get the sides to one side and take the ratios the other side. So b plus c upon a, and then cos of b minus c upon 2, and this also comes here. So cos of b plus c by 2. We'll proceed with left hand side. Then we'll have to make use of a sine formula here naturally. So that goes as k sine b minus k sine c upon k sine a. K gets cancelled, and again you can apply sine c minus sine d form, sine c plus sine d formula, which gives you 2 sine b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Here you'll have to apply half angle formula. Sine a can be written as 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2, and then again a would be b plus c out here would be replaced by pi minus a. So this would become cos of a by 2, cos b minus c by 2 copied as it is, and here we are replacing one of the a by 2 by pi minus b plus c. So sine pi by 2 minus this theta would make it cos. So that cos a by 2 in the numerator and denominator got cancelled, and this was already obtained as per required in the proof. And the other one also, by replacing a by pi minus b plus c, we have obtained what we wanted in the denominator, that is cos of b plus c by 2. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आपका ये जो एज उसने शो किया था प्रूफ वैसा ही आ जाएगा. Right, now coming to the 10th one. Okay, so here we have this huge expression a cos a, b cos b plus c cos c to be proved as 2a sin b sin c. What are we going to do here is, again our a, b, c's with the help of sine rule will be replaced by k sin a, k sin b, k sin c. Having done that, we observe that if we take this k common and sin a same angles हैं, sin and cos, तो हम हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं यहाँ पे, प्रोवाइडेड इट हैड अ 2, तो वो 2 आप खुद मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग दिस इक्वेशन बाय 2 ईच. तो 2 हमने जो मल्टीप्लाई किया वो अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है. So that we obtain 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin b cos b, 2 sin c cos c, जिसमें फिर हम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे हाफ एंगल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट we'll be able to write it as sin 2a sin 2b sin 2c, and that 2 in the denominator continues. Okay, ये 2 अंदर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. So k यहाँ से कॉमन आया था and upon half चलेगा for this balance. Right, now after having done that, further we can apply sin c plus sin d formula here now. Okay, so sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So your 2 comes common from here, gets cancelled. With that 2 you have in the denominator of the formula. So it's simply 2 sin a plus b, and the other one cos a minus b. And this again wasn't required as sin 2c, because यहाँ सब a b डबल एंगल किसी का नहीं चल रहा है. एंड on top of that, after application of formula, what are we observing is यहाँ पे हमारा a plus b आ गया है, which can be replaced by pi minus c. So it will become sin c. तो यहाँ sin c है तो इसमें भी sin c होता है, तो वो कॉमन लेके हमारा थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो सकता है. So this one we will break back as 2 sin c cos c. Alright, ये जो था वापस हमने इसको ऐसा ही लिख दिया है, because considering we've got sin a plus b which would reduce to sin c, we would be able to take this 2 sin c common now. Okay, so that we are going to take common, and ये जो cos दूसरा c बचा था प्रूफ में, अब हमारा c का काम हो गया है. We'll replace that by a plus b. So c will be replaced by pi minus of a plus b. That we'll be doing. So cos pi minus a plus b would become minus cos a plus b. Okay, cos में minus b आ जाता है, second quadrant it's going to. Okay, so sin c हमने common ले लिया. Again 2 and 2 balance हो जाएगा, cancel हो जाएगा, and we will be left with cos a plus b here, a minus b sorry here, and this would become minus of cos a plus b. Okay, now once again इसमें भी formula आप लगा सकते हो. Now cos c minus cos d, both terms of sine creep in. 2 sine sum of the angles by 2, difference of the angles by 2. So जब आप sum कर रहे हो तो b and b gets cancelled, so 2a upon 2 that becomes sin a only, and जब difference करोगे minus a minus b, so a and a will get cancelled, minus cos minus 2b आएगा, and cos minus theta is same as cos theta, so minus can be dropped, and b 2 cancel. Okay, so only sin b remains. Okay, so that way. And now yes, so in the proof I think we wanted only sine b and sine c. So sine b from here and sine c can be kept aside, and this sine a taken with a k that continued in front, all right, would again by sine formula be replaced by small a. Okay, hence you would get your proof, and this too of course from the formula we had already got. So that is how we wanted to prove it. Okay, now 11th one. Now we are going to make use of cos formula. Till now the questions, majority of them utilized sine formula and rest of the trigonometric formulas. Now this is a question clearly which would require use of cosine formula that we have just studied. Okay, so 11th one, this is what you need to prove is equal to this, and we know that cos of a, cos of b, cos of c, इन सबके sides के term में हमने expressions पढ़े हुए हैं, तो we'll use that formula straight away. Okay, so this 1 by a can be kept aside, and cos a by formula is b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Likewise cos b अपने formula से replace हो जाएगा c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ac, and this will be replaced by a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. So if you know your formula, you simply have to put that formula, cos a, cos b, cos c. Rest would automatically follow. Now what are we observing is 2abc, 2abc, 2abc. So all the denominator of all the three factors is same, that is 2abc. So we can add up all the factors that we have, all the terms we have in numerator. So from here we had b square plus c square minus a square plus c square plus a square minus b square. तो आपका एक तो alternately cancel हो जाएगा, one plus minus में आ रहे हैं और एक रह जाएगा सबका. So you'll be ending up getting in the numerator a square plus b square plus c square and upon 2abc as per our requirement. Okay. Now 12th one also is easy, children. You just need to make use of your formulas once again here, but it's a lengthy expression. Okay, so we'll do it stepwise. ये हमारा पूरा, it is sum of these three terms. So first we are simplifying one term to the maximum, then by symmetry हम बाकी लिख देंगे. See, b square minus c square cot of a, b c यहाँ पर है तो ये cot a है, यहाँ c a है, cot of b है, यहाँ a b है तो cot c है. साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में चल रहा है ए बी सी ए बी सी ए बी सी. ओके, तो अगर आप एक का भी सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म लिख दोगे तो उसी की सिमेट्री से यू कैन राइट बाकियों का क्या एक्सप्रेशन बनेगा, एंड देन वील मैनिपुलेट इट. All right, so because it's a lengthy expression, then doing it in one go, rather than that, what we are doing is we are starting off with just simplifying the first term of this whole expression, which is b square minus c square cot a. दिस cot a फॉर्मूला हमारे पास cos and sin के लिए है, तो हम इस cot a को ब्रेक कर ले रहे हैं once again. Cot a is cos a upon sin a. Now we'll apply both the rules. So b square minus c square and cosine formula, cos a is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc, and sin नीचे था आपका sin a, वो sin रूल से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा k टाइम्स a से. ओके, तो डिनोमिनेटर में आपका अगेन 2abc KABC आ गया, and numerator you would distribute this, you will multiply this expression and see what you obtain. So you are obtaining b to the power of 4 plus b square c square minus b square a square minus b square c square minus c to the power of 4 plus c square a square. Okay, so accordingly by symmetry आप बाकियों का भी सम लिख सकते हो, और अगर आपको सिमेट्री समझ में नहीं आती है, once again you can split it like we did for the first one. Cos b, sin b, likewise रखो, replace this by k times small b and this by a square plus c square minus b square upon 2 ac, and then again distribute करके you would end up getting three different expressions, and denominator सबका same आ रहा है once again, that is your 2kabc, right? So आप वो 2kabc common denominator करके numerators जितने आए हैं those all can be summed up. So if you sum them up, then you will observe all of them alternately somewhere or the other would cancel out to give you your numerator as 0. Okay, so just work that out expression on your own and check it out. You will easily get that proof as 0 applying both sine and cosine rules. Okay, now for the 13th one, what has been said? b square minus c square upon a square sine 2a, then you have c square minus a square upon b square sine 2b. See again इसमें भी वही symmetrical type के terms आ रहे हैं. If you have denominator b square, then this comes out to be 2b. So c square 2c and other two का difference of square numerator में. Okay, तो again आप एक term को simplify करो, by symmetry बाकी रखो, एक्सप्रेशंस फॉर्म करो, पुट देम ऑल टुगेदर, ऑटोमेटिकली वो न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल आउट होके 0 आ जाएगा आपका. ओके, सो सेम एज वी डिस्कस जस्ट नाउ. सो वील स्टार्ट विद बी स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर एंड साइन 2a बाय हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला इज 2 sin a cos a. एंड नाउ वंस यू गेट दिस, इसमें अब आप इधर लगेगा साइन रूल, सो दिस विल बी रिप्लेस बाय k टाइम्स a एंड cos रूल which is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. So you will see whatever simplification can be done. So you have one of the a gets cancelled here. So denominator में 2abc, वो सबके denominator में same ही आएगा फिर. And you had a k which you can put right in front and बाकी इनको अंदर multiply करके distribute करो, तो by symmetry आप बाकियों का भी similarly लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो आपको दिख रहा है कि जिस एंगल की बात हो रही थी उसके अलावा बाकी दो का फर्स्ट b to the power of 4 minus c to the power of 4. So here it will become c to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4. ओके, फिर आपका जो लेफ्ट ओवर था दैट वाज ए स्क्वायर विद बी स्क्वायर एंड ए स्क्वायर ऑल्सो विद सी स्क्वायर. सो जहाँ जो पॉजिटिव था उसका माइनस, जो नेगेटिव था उसका पॉजिटिव. तो ऐसे आप सिमेट्री बना के इन एक्सप्रेशंस का भी वैल्यू रख सकते हो. एंड देन व्हेन यू विल पुट देम टुगेदर, देन वंस अगेन यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल द टर्म्स विल गेट कैंसिल टू गिव यू अ 0.